Now that the application process has started, filling the application form correctly can be stressful for a lot of students. However, with the right guidance, this process can become a lot less daunting. That's why, in this video, we are going to walk you through each step of the application process to help you tackle it with confidence. In the application process, you will first need to register for the exam and then fill out the application form and lastly pay the application fees. The first step is to open the official website neet.nta.in. After opening the website, click on the NEET UG 2023 registration button under Candidate Activity. A pop-up window will appear asking you to go to an external website. Click OK. You will then be redirected to a new page, which displays the National Eligibility Entrance Test UG 2023. Here, you will see two sections, one for already registered candidates and another for new registrations. Since you are not already registered, click on the New Registration button. Read the instructions carefully, confirm the declaration by ticking the checkbox, and then hit Click Here to Proceed button. Now, you are ready to fill the first step, that is registration. On this page, candidates will have to enter their name, mother's name, father's name, gender, date of birth, category, nationality, state, identity type, government ID proof number, valid mobile number, email ID, and at the end fill your present and permanent address. It is to be noted that the candidates' details like name, date of birth, and gender in the application form and government ID proof must match. Also, their mother's and father's names should match with Class 10 certificate. Then, you must create a strong and secure password containing 8 to 13 characters and consider all the instructions for creating the password. Next, candidates are required to add a security question. This question will help to verify their identity in case they forget their password or need to recover their account. After that, fill the security PIN as shown on the screen. Now, candidates should preview and verify their information before submitting it by clicking the Submit button. Immediately after submitting, a modal window will appear saying to review the details, as it will not be changed after the final submit. And it is necessary to click on each element to authenticate the information. And at the end, hit on I agree button. After that, click on Submit and send OTP and then hit Yes. Now, a screen will appear asking for the OTP which is already sent in your mobile number you entered previously. So, after filling the OTP, click on Submit. Once you have completed this, you will receive a registration number, which you should keep safe. So now we are done with the registration process and remaining with application form and fee payment. Once the registration process is finished, applicants should press on Complete Application Form. Now, candidates must log in using their provisional registration number and password. It is mandatory to complete the rest of the information in the NEET 2023 application form. First, you need to fill out your personal details. Some of this information will be autofilled from your registration process and cannot be altered. However, you need to complete other fields, such as if you are single girl child, in case of a girl, state of your 12th board, category, and more. Make sure to add the security PIN at the end, then click Save and Next and confirm the pop-up by clicking Yes. Now you will have to enter your Aadhaar details in this section. Click Yes if you have an Aadhaar number and enter the information. Don't forget to fill in the security PIN, submit the information, and confirm the pop-up. Now, you need to choose the medium of your paper and the exam city where you feel comfortable taking the test. You will need to select your state and city for two choices of exam center. Fill out the qualification details for your father and mother as well. Remember to fill in the security PIN, then submit and confirm. In this section, you have to fill in your academic details. Make sure to double-check all the information you provide. Fill in the security PIN and confirm at the end. Next, Fill out any additional details. This may include information about twins applying for NEET and any other relevant details. As always, don't forget to fill in the security PIN and submit. Lastly, fill in your emergency contact details, which should include your parents' or guardian information. Fill in the OTP, and then fill in the security PIN before submitting. After completing the NEET 2023 application form, it's essential to upload the required documents, such as your passport size photograph, scanned copy of your signature, and other important documents that we are going to discuss. Remember to follow the guidelines provided for each document to avoid any issues during the application process. To start, click on the Upload Documents button after submitting your completed NEET 2023 application form. Now, let's dive into each document one by one and discuss how to upload them correctly. First, let's talk about the passport photograph. You will need to submit a passport-sized photo with 80% face appearing in photograph and without a mask. Now, let's move on to the left-hand thumb impression. You need to upload a digital image of your left thumb impression made with blue ink on white paper. Next, we have the signature. You need to sign with a black ink pen on white paper, scan it, and save it as a JPG file. In addition to the passport photograph, you need to upload a postcard-sized photo. This photo should also be in JPG format. Next, you need to upload a scanned copy of your Class 10th certificate. This file should be in PDF format. Lastly, you need to upload your present and permanent address proof. You can use Aadhaar cards, domicile certificates, passports, voter ID cards, or other valid documents. If your current and permanent addresses are the same, you can use the same document. Combine the two documents into one PDF file if necessary. Lastly, you will need to pay the application fees. The fee structure varies depending on your category, so make sure to check the information bulletin for the correct fee amount. You can pay the fees through various modes, such as credit card, debit card, or net banking. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation page, which you should save and print for future reference. And that's it. You have now successfully completed the NEET 2023 application process. Keep an eye on your email and mobile for any updates regarding the exam, and start preparing for the big day. Best of luck, and we hope to see you succeed in your NEET 2023 journey. Thank you.